Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Dark patches around elbows, knees, and underarms are a common issue for many women, often due to inadequate skincare and environmental exposure. Many neglect to apply sunscreen to these areas, leading to hyperpigmentation. Remedies are available to address this issue. Lemon juice is known for its natural bleaching properties. Mix the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of gram flour, an exfoliant that removes dead cells. Add a pinch of turmeric, which reduces melanin production. Apply this mixture to affected areas and wash it off after 20 minutes. Do this twice a week for noticeable results. For dry skin, dip half a lemon in honey and scrub. This brightens uneven skin and leaves it smooth and supple. Shaving can cause skin darkness due to irritation and small cuts, which the skin repairs with darker toned cells. To mitigate this, moisturize with aloe vera to soothe and condition sensitive areas after shaving. Baking soda is also effective. Mix equal parts of baking soda and milk and massage the mixture daily onto elbows and knees. For underarms, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and optionally add essential oil. Lightly massage this mixture and leave it on for 15 minutes. The baking soda exfoliates dark patches while antioxidants in coconut oil help even out the skin. Essential oil will ensure your underarms look and smell great. Coffee grounds can also reduce pigmentation. Mix equal parts of coffee and coconut oil. Rub it onto elbows and knees. Leave for 30 minutes and wash off. Do this once a week for smooth, even skin. Sugar is another excellent exfoliant, sweeping away dead cells and bacteria, aiding in skin regeneration. For elbows and arms, mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey moisturizes, ensuring the sugar effectively exfoliates. Do this 3 times a week for 15 minutes for patch-free skin. Using these simple ingredients can help you say goodbye to dark patches. Incorporate these remedies into your skincare routine for improved skin evenness and brightness. Consistency is key. Let us know which scrub you'll try next and share your experiences with us. Stay tuned and stay glam. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.